Are you looking for the fuse box location in your Kia Carnival 2021 to 2026? In this video, we'll quickly show you all fuse box locations, including the engine compartment and cabin area, and explain how they protect your sedan vehicle's electrical system. Passenger compartment fuse box location. The passenger compartment fuse box in the Kia Carnival 2021 to 2024 is an important electrical control unit that protects and distributes power to many of the vehicle's interior systems. It contains multiple fuses designed to prevent electrical overloads, short circuits, and faults, helping ensure safe and reliable operation of cabin electronics. The fuse box supports essential features such as the instrument cluster, infotainment system, interior lighting, power windows, door locks, climate control, USB charging ports, steering wheel controls, and various comfort and safety systems. Its clearly labeled fuse layout makes it easier to identify and replace blown fuses during inspection or maintenance. Built for durability and reliable performance, the passenger compartment fuse box helps maintain stable electrical operation and ensures smooth communication between the vehicle's electronic systems. The passenger compartment fuse box in the Kia Carnival 2025 to 2026 is an important electrical protection unit that manages power distribution for various interior systems and comfort features. It contains multiple fuses that protect individual circuits from overloads, short circuits, and electrical faults, helping ensure safe and reliable operation of the vehicle's electronic components. The fuse box supports systems such as the instrument cluster, infotainment system, interior lighting, climate control, power windows, door locks, USB charging ports, and various convenience and safety features. Its clearly labeled fuse arrangement allows for easier inspection, troubleshooting, and replacement of blown fuses during maintenance. Designed for dependable performance, it helps maintain stable electrical operation and ensures the smooth functioning of the Carnival's advanced cabin electronics. Additionally, the passenger compartment fuse box in the Kia Carnival 2025 to 2026 is designed to support the vehicle's advanced electrical architecture by managing power distribution between multiple electronic control modules and interior systems. Each fuse protects a specific circuit with the correct amperage rating, helping prevent electrical damage. Engine compartment fuse box location. The engine compartment fuse box in the Kia Carnival 2021 to 2024 is a vital part of the vehicle's electrical system, designed to distribute power and protect major engine and high-current electrical circuits. It contains a combination of blade fuses, cartridge fuses, and relays that help prevent damage caused by electrical overloads, short circuits, or power surges. The fuse box supplies power to critical components such as the engine control module, ECM, cooling fans, fuel pump, ABS, electronic stability control, ESC, ignition system, headlights, radiator fan, and other essential engine management systems. Its clearly labeled layout makes fuse identification, inspection, and replacement straightforward during maintenance or troubleshooting. Built with a durable, weather-resistant housing, the engine compartment fuse box is designed to withstand heat, moisture, and engine vibrations, ensuring reliable electrical performance and helping maintain the safety, efficiency, and long-term reliability of the Kia Carnival. The engine compartment fuse box in the Kia Carnival 2025 to 2026 non-hybrid is a vital electrical distribution and protection unit that manages many of the vehicle's high-current circuits. It contains a combination of blade fuses and high-capacity fusible links that protect critical systems from electrical overloads, short circuits, and power surges, helping ensure safe and reliable operation. The fuse box supplies power to essential components such as the engine control module, ECM, fuel system, cooling fans, ABS, electronic stability control, ESC, ignition system, transmission controls, power steering, lighting circuits, and various engine sensors. Its clearly labeled fuse layout allows for quick inspection, troubleshooting, and replacement of blown fuses during maintenance. The engine compartment fuse box hybrid in the Kia Carnival 2025 to 2026 is a vital electrical distribution and protection unit designed specifically to support the hybrid powertrain and conventional vehicle systems. It houses a combination of standard fuses, high-capacity fuses, and relays that protect critical circuits from electrical overloads, short circuits, and power surges. The fuse box supplies power to essential components such as the engine control module, hybrid control system, battery cooling system, electric water pump, radiator cooling fans, ABS, ESC, ignition system, and other engine and safety-related electronics. Its clearly labeled layout allows for quick identification and replacement of fuses during maintenance or troubleshooting. Built with a durable, weather-resistant housing, it delivers reliable electrical performance and supports the safe, efficient operation of the Kia Carnival's hybrid system. The fuse box also plays an important role in maintaining proper power distribution between the hybrid system and other vehicle electronics, helping ensure smooth performance and dependable operation. Regular inspection and using the correct fuse ratings help protect sensitive components and maintain the overall reliability of the Kia Carnival's electrical system. Its advanced design supports efficient energy management and helps prevent electrical failures, protects hybrid components for safe, reliable performance. Types of fuses: standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.